Coming down to the final two matches here in Virginia Tech, leading Oregon State 18-9. Returning All-American Taylor Meeks, the junior out of Ording, Washington for Oregon State. In the black and orange for the Beavers, taking on Chris Penny, a senior out of Virginia Beach, Virginia. Been ranked back and forth this season. The second Cox High School Falcon we've seen tonight. We saw John Dixon earlier. Meeks coming in ranked 11th, was preseason #1 to start the year. 22-5. This would be one of those breakthrough type of wins should Penny be in the match. While Meeks, powerful and a good finisher on top. Oregon State's going to look for bonus points here as it's a 9-point spread. Penny in on the shot. Meeks going to try to cross face in. Looks to clear the arm, does so. And now there's the 2-point takedown for Taylor Meeks. Now he's going to hip over and put Penny on his back. He's got a 1 counter. Is a referee holding 2? I counted 1. Referee's holding 2. Tony Roby looks rather disgusted there on the bench. One word for Kevin Dresser would probably be befuddled. So quickly, Meeks out to a 4-0 lead. Trying to go to work on that 2-on-1 tilt. Nothing doing there. Just over a minute remaining, period #1. He's going to throw that half in. Bit of a half crab ride as well. Drags it back to the mat. Goes for inside wrist control. Slips back to the half. Tries to stack it up. Penny doing everything he can to stay away from it. Beavers going to need some bonus points here. A win will bring it within 6, but with 2 nationally ranked heavyweights going to come to the mat. While a fall is always possible, it's a tough thing to rely on just to get to criteria. And we'll get a fresh start, 15 seconds to go. Meeks with a 4-0 advantage and 1 minute, 22 seconds of riding time. And after the quick restart, we'll run out of bounds and do it all over again. Meeks goes right to work on that. And where he pinches the hips, throws in the half, and tries to get a cheap tilt out of it. Time will run out. First period will end Taylor Meeks' way, 4-0 with a minute and a half of riding time. Penny defers. Meeks is going to start down. Meeks up and out. Turns and faces. 1-point escape. Now 5-0. Behind 5 points against a guy like Taylor Meeks usually isn't a very good recipe for success. Penny tries to go underneath. Meeks fights that off and comes back to the center. Both trading collar ties here. I see off the outside. Nothing doing. Penny tries to go the same shot again. This time Meeks was ready for it and bowls through him for the takedown. Extends his lead now to 7-0 with riding time. Under a minute to go, period number 2. Meeks trying to run that half on the edge again. And we'll go completely out of bounds, get a fresh start. Penny trying to fight hands. Uh-oh. Ooh, that could have been a bad position, but he ends up getting out of it. 1 point escape, so now 7-1. Riding time up over 2 minutes for Meeks. And he's trying to muster some type of offense. And on the leg, and that'll end the second period. A 7-1 lead for Taylor Meeks. Penny's going to have choice. He's going to start neutral. Said, I've had enough of being underneath this dude. Penny tries to go double. Oh, and Meeks catches him, steps over, and he's looking for the fall. Penny trying to fight the position. Now Meeks is going to get 2, and he's going to get more out of this. It's probably going to be a 2 and 3 situation. We stop it for potentially dangerous. 3 near fall is the call, so now 12-1. What went from being a potential major decision went to a big major decision there in a hurry. Meeks just stepped over and planted Penny to his back. We'll go back with that little tilt. Pinches the hips, throws in the half. Meeks looking for that tilt again. He's definitely got a 2 count out of it. Five seconds remaining. So he gets 2 more on the near fall. 14-1. Not enough time to get another tilt to try to get the technical fall. It's going to end up a 15-1 major decision for the All-American out of Ording, Washington. And the Beavers still in this match.